Hey everyone, welcome back to the Glacier Bear Cruise channel. In this video, we're tackling some of the biggest myths about cruises. All those rumors you've heard that make you wonder if they're actually true. Spoiler alert, I believe they are. So, if you're a travel lover or just cruise curious, hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest travel tips. Now let's get into it. Myth number 1. Cruises are just for old people. Let's tackle this one head on. While it's true that cruises today attract everyone from families to young couples, certain cruise lines and longer, more leisurely cruises do still cater to older passengers looking for a relaxing trip. At least when I'm older, I plan to have more time and money to go on more cruises. Myth number 2. Cruises are all-inclusive, but not really. A lot of people think cruises are all-inclusive. But while most cover accommodations, basic meals, and some activities, extras like specialty dining, shore excursions, spa treatments, and alcohol usually cost extra. You can rack up quite a bill if you're not careful. Inclusions vary for different cruises, so always check what's covered before you book. Myth number 3. Cruises can be crowded. This one is definitely true. On some ships, especially the mega ships with over 4,000 passengers, popular areas like pools, dining areas, and theaters can get crowded. If you prefer a more relaxed vibe, you can try older ships with less amenities or the more expensive luxury ships. Cruising during off-peak times may also limit the crowds. Although larger ships do come with crowds, you should be able to find a quiet area on board. Myth number 4. Seasickness is real. Yep, this myth is true. Even if you're not prone to motion sickness, it is pretty common to feel it on a cruise. Even the most modern ships with stabilizers can't stop seasickness completely. Cabins in the middle of the ship may help with smoother sailing. Still, rough seas can bring out the Dramamine. Myth number 5. Cabins can be tiny. While you can find spacious suites at a significant cost, standard cabins can feel pretty cramped. That's because they're designed mainly for sleeping. Most cruise lines want you to enjoy the ship's amenities rather than staying in your room. But yes, if you're someone who needs extra space, choose carefully and consider a suite or a balcony cabin. Myth number 6. Food is always available. Yes, this is absolutely true. Cruise ships are known for their 24/7 food options. While specialty restaurants may have set hours, most ships have buffets, room service, and late-night bites, so you can eat round the clock if you want. If you're like me and love room service, your midnight pizza is just a call or tap away. Myth number 7. You can get stuck at ports. It's true that if you're running late from an excursion not booked through the cruise line, the ship will not wait for you. Always double check the port times and leave enough room to get back. While it's rare, it can still happen. Don't be the star of the next video of a person sprinting down the dock. Myth number 8. You can catch a cruise cold or other illness. It's not just a myth. Illnesses can spread quickly on cruise ships, especially in close quarters with thousands of people. This is why most cruise lines take sanitation very seriously with strict cleaning protocols, hand sanitizer stations, and reminders about hand washing. That said, it's a good idea to carry your own hand sanitizer and be mindful in buffet lines and high-touch areas. This risk is very real, so please take precautions to help keep yourself healthy. Myth number 9. Cruise Wi-Fi is slow and expensive. Okay, this one is often true. Wi-Fi at sea is notoriously slow and expensive on a cruise. Although it has improved over the years, it's still not as fast or affordable as on land. Cruise lines know how important the internet is to people, so if you need internet access, look for packages or consider using Wi-Fi at ports instead. Myth number 10. You can spend a lot more than expected. While cruises advertise affordable fares, a lot of extras aren't included, like specialty dining, drinks, excursions, gratuities, and some activities. It's really easy to run up a bill if you're not keeping track. Here's a good tip: plan ahead. Look into drink packages, pre-book excursions, and check for any discounts before your cruise to help control the costs. And a bonus myth about sea days being boring. Days at sea might sound boring, but sea days can be as active or relaxing as you want. Cruise lines actually pack a ton of activities on sea days. You can relax by the pool, join trivia games, take cooking classes, enjoy wine tastings, hit the gym, or just unwind with a book. Some even offer workshops, educational talks, and themed events. And that wraps up our list of cruise myths that are actually true. Which of these surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips. Thanks for watching and happy cruising!